Here's your host, Bob Goat.
Hello, today we have a special thing. It's called tinfoil on a stick, and it can be used to take this off. Tinfoil, bye-bye. You could use it as a screwdriver. Boop, boop, boop. Magic table just appeared. Could slice up some cows, cooked cows, obviously. And then you could put an apple on there. Just pretend tinfoil's apple. Just pretend. Okay, I lost tinfoil. I'll find it. Oh, found it, okay, got it. Yeah, don't worry, I'm not a fake. This is real. You could.
Are you sure? Let's see it.
Pretend this is an apple. And then you could take this off, throw it at a zombie's head, knock him out. You could throw it at your cameraman. You could pick it up, and you could hammer a nail. Just watch. Pretend there's a nail here. Ow! My hand! Oh my god, that hurt.
Band-Aid brand.
Yeah. You could mash potatoes. Sec. Don't want to wreck my brand new table.
Dude, you dented it.
Mashed potatoes.
Nice, you dented it.
Mashed potatoes. Who cares if I dent the table if you get mashed potatoes, right? Yeah, like, look at this. $200 value, you get it for $700. Cheap, right? Well, guess what? There's more. If you call now, you can get $700 for 5 cents because they're not worth anything, but they can be used for almost anything, even though they're not worth anything. And my cameraman deserves a beating. He just farted. And yeah, this could be used as a weapon, as a tool in your kitchen, as a tool in your garage, or you could use it so you can be a tool. Zombie apocalypse, perfect. Bam, buy one now.